Let me get up the first team from Webboard to present up about their solution. Ronak, Arvind and Nitin.
Hello everyone, I'm Nitin, he's Arvind and he's Ronak, and we are here to present a product that we made over the summer called Webboard. Now, before we go into what Webboard actually is, let me give you a brief overview of the current scenario. Right, so now, gone are the days where schools and colleges are using blackboards and chalks to, for teaching purposes. Everyone's using technology for this, so they're using smart boards or digital pads for this purpose. Now, with these, you need good writing softwares. Now, with modern problems require modern solutions. And now these boards, the smart boards or the digipads that I was talking about, come with native softwares, but these usually aren't very user-friendly or intuitive. So the teachers or the lecturers usually face it problematic to write stuff because they have a steep learning curve. So the focus isn't on the teaching part; it's more about how to use it. And this is one of the big problems right now. And also, everything's moving to the web. So even we thought these writing softwares could be web-based because they have many advantages like portability, which is the main thing. So notes that have been written in one place can be viewed or edited anywhere. So the web-based solution is what we thought would be appropriate.
So actually, even our presentation is on the web. If you guys have noticed, we didn't bring any pen drive or anything. We just opened it on the browser, right? So as Nitin discussed all the problems, so what we built to solve this is an online writing tool with the ability to save all the notes in the server. So basically, whatever we write is just a bunch of coordinates and we store it in a server. And they can be viewed and edited at our website anytime. And the best part is it happens in real time. So as soon as you write, everything is available online and you can check it as soon as you want. So why would you want to use Webboard? There are already lots of writing tools out there. So first thing is that it can be used on any device with a browser. That's it, right? So this is the writing interface. So the best part about this is it's pretty intuitive. So you don't have like some thousands of tools over here, some 10,000s over here, and you're like, what should I use to write and what should I use to erase? It's just a simple pen, eraser, next page, and that's it. And you can just get started and write.
Can you type it in also?
Huh?
Can you type it in?
Actually, we are working on adding that feature also. Yeah, so that's upcoming. And right, and a fun fact, actually we developed this in a hackathon overnight. And Ramesh sir was the judge for the hackathon. Yeah, and we won the hackathon also. So yeah, this is one of our classes. So we asked professors to use it in our class. So these are the notes. And they can be downloaded as a PDF also. So yeah. I'll move it on to Ronak.
So as you can see, it's just a prototype, and we are actually trying to make it into a really good product. And so as you saw in the board, there are quite less number of functionalities. So our main goal is to add on many more functionalities like screen sharing or live streaming, audio feedback, and a lot more. So that is what our final product, our final vision is. And if we also want to talk about marketing strategies when our product is finalized, this is quite early for us to talk about right now, but you should actually have a pretty good idea of what are your marketing strategies. So we are actually thinking of making it into two. One is basic version where there are all the basic functionalities that helps you use it in the classroom. There is also a premium version where there are all additional functionalities as screen sharing and live streaming and many more additional functionalities that you can use in the premium version, and you have to buy the premium version. So this is what our basic layout might be for the marketing strategies. That's it. Thank you.
So yeah. Yeah, any questions, any reviews, any suggestions that you want?
So are you planning to extend it to the phone or something like that?
Yeah, it can actually be used on the phone right now also.
Okay, so like if, for example, if a teacher is teaching and if, because the teachers are always walking around, right?
Yeah.
So then otherwise if you have to come and write it again, you have to come behind that board, I mean behind the thing and write. So can she or he write
Yeah.
something like that?
Yep.
on the phone and
Yeah, you can do
that's
that.
already done?
Hmm.
I think a student is a better person to write instead of the instructor. Student can take down these notes, right? Instead of the instructor writing it.
In the sense?
I mean, right now you're saying that whoever is teaching will
Yeah.
write this.
Yeah. I mean, they use it to write.
Yeah.
So.
I mean, classrooms, teachers need a board to write, right?
So that's fine. So what I'm saying is right now you can still teacher can still use the whiteboard to write.
Hmm.
And you guys are anyway writing down notes. So if one of you can write down the notes using this.
Yeah, we can do that.
That can be
That's
something
what I
like
guess
that.
you guys are doing right
I
now.
have an advanced version of that. Maybe when the teacher is writing, you should incorporate a feature that it will auto flow to all your phones. Then
Yeah, that can be done. So
then
if,
you will be the happiest person.
yeah, that's
Yeah.
done. That's
Because the
done.
teacher will write and I get the notes.
That's already.
That's premium. You gotta pay me right. Yeah.
Okay, so I had a question. This in our Android, you have the Android notes.
Yeah.
It's exactly the same feature. What is the USP you're bringing to the table?
This is actually an online version. So
Yeah,
even
there's
if
also
I
online only. Android phones, you have the notes taking. Have you seen that?
Is that an app?
It is not an app. It's just a notes taking, and it saves.
But it's
to
an
Google
it's
Drive.
but it's an Android thing, right? So this is a web-based thing.
It
So
saves to the Google, so you can see it online also. So I'm just trying to ask you this: have you thought about what will differentiate properly your product? Because it looks like.
So actually, we are not trying to compete with that Android notes thing exactly. That's like your personal notes and stuff. So.
actually
You would not want to go into that
functionality
region.
also, like live streaming. So if a professor is writing something on the board and then he went to some next page and you're still aren't clear at what happened in the just 5 minutes before that. So you can actually go online. You can check what did he or she, the professor taught us, and you can live.
So the initial goal is to start off with the institutes.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'll give you an example and probably you can correct me.
Yeah, sure.
Just think about Google Docs. Google Docs can be shared everywhere. Anybody can see.
Yeah, actually, even we use Google Docs. Yeah.
And you can even collaborate. You can see what is being
Yeah.
done.
yeah, okay.
It is online, it is streaming.
Yeah.
It is coming. So what is your USP I'm trying to ask? So what is the big difference which you are bringing to the table compared to others?
Yeah, that's for typing. This is for writing.
Right. And
And there also you can write if you want. There's
Can
a
you?
drawing thing also there. So you can do that as well. Just try it out.
Oh, but I don't think anyone knows about that feature. So we can leverage that.
Know about your future.
And plus, we also the app that we made is integrable with these learning management portals like Moodle and all that. Or like unlike Google Docs and stuff. So it from the
Google Docs is free for education institutions.
but is it integrated with
You can integrate it with
Moodle? So.
Just, I'm trying to
Yeah.
challenge. That's all.
Yeah.
And you will get those type of challenges.
Yeah, we actually appreciate that. Like, we also wanted suggestions about it.
It is good. I think real streaming, if you are able to do it, it will be really good.
So we can actually build some sort of like a broadcast mechanism. If you go to this URL, you can watch it live with the audio and everything also.
It's easy to do. I think you can sell it to some people like the online tutorials are happening, right? So you have this tuitions which are happening online. So this can be a whiteboard for people. Somebody can write here and others there.
Yeah. Since actually we are in the developing stage, we didn't focus much on the marketing side of it. So we are just focused on developing the product. But that's the next step. Yeah.
Any more suggestions?
Yeah. Any questions? Any suggestions? Okay then. Thank you.
Thank you.